Hey guys, I'd like to welcome you to another video, and this video is going to be model related. As I talk to you, I'm showing you my Win-Win 550 scale Titanic model that I had made. But today's model, well, the subject of today's model is going to be the Trumpeter 1/200 scale R.M.S. Titanic. You can see I have her behind. And what I got to show you guys today is another little aftermarket goodie that goes with that wonderful kit. And today I'm going to show you the paint scale or scale paint. The kit that comes with all the paint that you need to paint the 1/200 scale R.M.S. Titanic. So let me get it all out of the package and I'll show it to you. All right, so to give you a little bit of information where I got it from, I got this from Scale Colors, and you can see scalecolors.com. They do painting kits for a number of models, and I wanted to get the Titanic 1/200 scale paint set to show you guys another option for this wonderful kit. The price, the kit itself was $65. Shipping and handling was $8.30. So it cost me a total of $73.30 for this paint kit. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what this kit comes with. It comes with the card, the sales slip, the packing slip, and the paints. Let's go ahead and I'm going to start by showing you guys the paint thinner. You can see the Scale Color logo on it. Shake well before use. And this is the acrylic. I was skeptical. I wanted to show you guys all the options for this kit. So I don't know if I'm going to actually use this or not. I may. I like oil-based paint better than acrylics, but we'll see. So that's the thinner right there. And let's see. The next one I'm going to show you is the bright white. Now, it doesn't come with any kind of a guide or a sheet or anything like that to show you what the colors are specifically for. I'll check on the website, and if there's anything like that, then I will put it up for you. But this is the bright white. I'm thinking that this is going to be for her superstructure. And let's see, how many of those are there? I think this is another one. Bright white. All right, so what's next? This one looks like SC409 is for the decks. And with my Titanic, my 1/200 scale, I have the deck, the wood deck from Scale Decks, so I won't be using this anyway, regardless. But that's for the deck. Let's see what's next. This one is SC401. This is quite a cuprous oxide anti-fouling red. And I'm assuming that this is going to be for her beautiful hull. And I think there are two of them. Yep. SC401 comes with 2 bottles. And again, this is a big model, so it's going to take a lot of paint to cover the model. This is SC403, and this is White Star Line Dark Mast. So I'm thinking that that's going to be the mast. Let's see. We have SC400, which is the White Star Line Buff. So let's see, we'll put that over there. And I see another yellowish kind of, let's see, this one is SC406, White Star Line Sheer Stripe yellow. Now the kit does come with the decal sheet that does the stripe all the way around, and you can see the stripe is not my forte. So I'm more inclined to use the decal stripe. It'll look a lot neater for me anyway, but it does come with the stripe to go around the ship. Let's see, next up we have SC904, which is hull black. Pretty self-explanatory for her hull. And I believe there's two of those. SC904 hull black. And I'm wondering how this paint is going to hold up in a paint gun, because I was thinking of doing mine. Like I said, I like the Rust-Oleum oil-based paints, the sprays. If I do use these paints, I will use them in the paint gun. So it'll be interesting to see how they hold up. Next up, we have SC405 White Star Line Funnel Casting Gray. Funnel casting gray for the funnels. All right, what's next? We have SC902, which is canvas white. So there's a different shade of the white. This is SC404, which is White Star Line Funnel Casting Gray. So there's two of those. Put that with the other one. And let's see, what's next? SC407, and that would be White Star Line Chromate Green. And we got one bottle left, and this is SC408 White Star Line Deck Hardware Gray. So all the little things that are on the deck. And again, don't judge me by this model. This one was kind of a practice to get ready for the Trumpeter 1/200 scale. And this one didn't have any decals, so I actually had to make my own flags. The American flag, the White Star Line flag. And I had to write the name of the ship myself. So, yep, this is the last one. White Star Line Hardware Gray. So all in all, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. You get 16 bottles. The larger ones, let's see if it shows how many ounces are on a bottle. Again, I'll put up the information if I can find it on the website to see the different ounces that each bottle holds. Let's see if it wants to focus. Shake well before use. I can't read that. Let's see if there's another one with that on it. Shake well before use. Thin with 50-50 water. And again, if I'm going to use the paint gun, all of you guys watching, if you're going to use this paint in a paint gun, absolutely you need to thin it. You got to thin it anyway, so it doesn't clog up the paint gun. But this is from Scale Colors, and I thought this was a pretty interesting little kit to add to our Trumpeter. Considering the size of the model, it seems like it would use up more paint than this. If any of you guys out there have actually used this, Um, do you have enough? I know it says to thin it out, so it's concentrated. There are 2 bottles for the hull, the black, and there's 2 bottles of the red for the hull. And the what I'm thinking is the superstructure. There are 2 bottles of the white, bright white, and then there's a regular or a different white. This is the deck. There was another white. Let's see, where was it? Yep, canvas white. So you got 3 whites. There's 2 blacks, and there's 2 of the hull red. There's a pair of greens. There's a bottle used for the decking, and there's some gray for the funnels. And I forgot what was this? White Starline Dark Mast. So this is kind of like an orange, brownish, dark tan kind of color for her masts. And that's what comes in this painting kit. And if you're interested, you can check it out at scalecolors.com. And this is just another little goodie to add to the absolutely spectacular 1/200 scale R.M.S. Titanic model kit from Trumpeter. So I hope you enjoyed this little video review of what comes in the paint. And if you were curious about it, wondering what exactly came with it, it came just in a regular first-class mailbox, so that there was nothing really. It doesn't have a box of its own, and all it comes with is the packing slip and a card. So it doesn't have any kind of instructions or color key, and I'm going to check online to see if I had missed that. And if I do find that, I will put it up for you. And until the next video, I thank you guys as usual for watching, and I will talk to you guys very, very soon in another video.